Today's video is about our stay at Legoland, Florida in October of 2021. After checking out the Legoland Times that was in our room, we headed down to the hotel restaurant to have breakfast, which is included with your stay at the hotel. While we were there, it was Brick or Treat. These were some of the characters that were available to see. There was also a firework display at 8 o'clock on weekends, I think it was. We checked out the water show at Pirates Cove. Then I ordered this from I think it was from the app, but it turned out looking like this. So it was a little bit different than what the picture was. The fries were good. One of the highlights of our trip was that we got to see the top 3 creations from the Lego Masters from the television show. It was amazing to see them in person. They were located in the Big Shop, which is right there at the entrance of the resort at the park. Across the street there is a coffee company. I was going to tell you about that. And they do have seasonal offerings. And while we were there, they had this Mummy's Pumpkin Chai hot coffee. I did try it. I wasn't that big of a fan, but it might be your thing. They also had Brick or Treat while we were there. That's one of the reasons why I really love to go there in October. It's included with your park admission. And there are other things like this candy corn scavenger hunt that you can do. So we really, really love to go there during October. Another really big highlight is this creative workshop. It is included with your stay at the hotel, and it is the neatest thing. You get to make a mini build with one of the Lego Masters. They come in and they give you all the pieces, all the Legos that you need, and then you put it together step by step with them, and they go through each step with you. My son loves this. It is just such a highlight. Make sure you check it out when you first get there, arrive, and sign up for it when you first check in, because they do fill up. We made my son made this spaceship while we were there. So October is a highlight time that I think is one of the best times to go to Legoland. That's just a personal opinion. Another thing that's really cool at the Legoland park is the mini land, and now it's covered. This was in the evening and it was just beautiful, all lit up. Now let's get to the room tour. And this time, we've stayed at different rooms several times, but this time we stayed in a kingdom room. So as you walk in, there's this cute little frog there, and there's a treasure hunt that you can do, and that was in that treasure chest right there, and I won't give that away because that's a really cute thing. But here's the kids area. There's a TV there. Just really, really cute theming here. There are bunk beds and then a pull-out bed on the very bottom too, so 3 children could sleep here. And then if you move over here, there's some water bottles if you want to purchase them, an ice bucket. There are some Legos there for the kids to play with. There's so much storage here. There's storage here down here at the bottom. And then if you go up here on the top, there are also shelves to put things away if you have really young children that don't need to get to certain things. There's your safe. Like I said, plenty of storage, an extra pillow and blanket, hangers. It's all like exposed, but it's very convenient. There's the iron and ironing board. And then if we continue on into the room, I'll turn on the light and you'll see here's the telephone. You can see that. And then here's some TV things. And then this was I just scanned right past that, but that was the month, what was going on that month. There's the Keurig with all the coffee, tea, and so cute that they have hot chocolate there for the kids. So, so cute. There's Lego stuff playing all the time. So if you're a Lego fan, you'll be in heaven there. This is just the window and some of the theming, some of the decorations in the room, the pillows. It's a king-size bed. It was fairly comfortable. The pillows were nice. And there's the just little Lego builds that are on the wall there, and some more theming. There's a full-length mirror there for you. The carpet is just so cute. And then let's go into the bathroom. Some more Lego wall things. Just so cute. Everything's just so cute. And even the products are Lego themed. So, so cute. Look at this. Adorable. The shower curtain's so cute. Okay, so back out. Oh yeah, I also want to tell you they have this little potty seat too if you're like have a really little one. That's convenient for potty training. Anyways, so adorable room. Love it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day wherever you are.